Well, the Institute was founded in 1935 in Milan. We have 10 campuses across the world, and this is our first one in the United States. The school is basically a university, fashion design from a business, styling and design point of view. We focus a lot on sustainability. Then we've got 2 exhibitions. One is called Rethink.
We created this immersive environment where each room carry about one topic, one opportunity, one solution where you can make the difference.
And the other one is called Fashion Evolved, a world of plastic. We've got 8 designers. It needed to be a minimum of 51% plastic, but it had to be upcycled plastic. And the idea is just to promote of how much plastic is impacting on the environment. We're trying to get the message across through fashion of how important it is to get rid of plastic.